My patient in the emergency room by the name of Jill Monroe was diagnosed with otitis media, which is also known as an infection in the ear. Dr. Hu has prescribed her Augmentin for today, starting now, for 200 milligrams POQID. Okay, so I'm first going to go check the MAR, make sure that we have the correct dosing, and then I will go talk to my patient. I'm going to go into the MAR. Okay, so Augmentin, 400 milligrams over 5 milliliters. And it looks like this is for 200, so it looks like that we're going to have to do some med math. So what we know is that Augmentin comes in 5 milliliters over 400 milligrams. And our dose is for 200 milligrams over 1. The reason that we need it in milliliters is because this medication comes in a liquid form and we measure that within milliliters. So it is going to be coming into this and it needs to be in milliliters. So we are going to cross out our milligrams. So it's going to equal 1,000 over 400. You're going to divide that and it's going to equal 2.5 milliliters. That is our medication math for this medication. I'm going to go talk to my patient, make sure she understands Augmentin before giving it to her. I'm going to close out of the MAR, I'm going to go talk to her, and I will be back. Hi, Miss Jill, how are you doing? Good. My name is Kate. I'm going to be your nurse today. So you came to the emergency room because you have an ear infection? Okay. Alright, so Dr. Hu has prescribed you Augmentin. Have you ever had that before? No? Okay. So the infection in your ear needs an antibiotic, and so he has decided that Augmentin would be his choice of preference for this antibiotic. It's going to be an oral liquid medication given to you, okay? And it's going to help get that ear infection away. Okay? Alright. Do you have any questions about that? No? Okay, can you verify your name and date of birth? Jill Monroe, 08/14/94. Okay, do you have any known allergies? No? None there either? Okay, great. Do you have any difficulty swallowing or eating? No? Okay, I'm just going to help position you. And then could you please take a sip of water for me? Okay, great. Did that go down okay? Alright, okay. Do you have any questions? The side effects for the medications could be some diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, or like you could get a rash on your skin from it. So if that does happen, you want to notify us right away, okay? Any other questions? Okay, I'm going to go grab that medication and then I'll be right back. Here is your water and your call light, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Do you need anything in the meantime? No? Okay. I'll be right back, Miss Jill. Gonna go into the MAR. I'm gonna pull my Augmentin. I did my med math. It was 2.5 milliliters. So I'm going to pour into here. I'm going to be at eye level, and it's going to fill the bottom. So I'm just going to do it. Okay. So I'm right at that line, so it's 2.5. Okay, good. Alright. I'm going to sign out the MAR. I'm going to go back into my patient. Hi, Miss Jill. Are you still doing okay? Alright. I'm going to have you verify your name and date of birth one more time. Okay, I'm going to log into the computer. I'm going to scan your wristband. I'm going to scan this medication. Beep. Alright, and so I have poured the 2.5 milliliters that Dr. Koo has prescribed for you, okay? You're just going to drink it, right? And then you can drink some water after. There you go. Okay, good. Alright, I'm going to document the date for that medication. Do you have any questions or concerns? Alright, Miss Linda, if you start getting itchy or you have a rash or if you start feeling nauseous or anything, please let me know right away, okay? Alright, I'll be back in 30 minutes to check on you, okay? Here's your water and your call light. I documented that I gave her that medication. She stated that she had no known allergies, so I went ahead and gave it to her. And I'm going to log out of my computer, sanitize my hands, and I'm leaving.